I can't sit and do nothing. I go crazy. I need to work. I need to put the helmet down. I need to see my little light. I need to go. I'm Kory Niemi. I'm a senior welder here, and I've been welding for the last 15 years. First time I created something with a tool goes all the way back to when I was in trade school. Prior to that, never really took the time to build anything. I wasn't very manual. And then when I went to school, one of our projects was to build a fireplace, and I crushed it. Oh, I was very happy with it, and I feel good. Look at this. Now I need to just continue to put out this kind of work and always feel good about it. You're only as good as your last job. So I want my work to always try to exceed the last job that I did. I can spend a whole day inside the structure. The hardest part, staying healthy. Projects are large. Before I started here, you never had an understanding of how big was. When you look up and they're massive, they're about 70 feet tall. Some of them are 100 feet tall. We finished a stack that's 200 feet long, 244 tons. So it's quite massive, and we need to have tools that are consistent. Why waste my time? I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna do it right, and I'm gonna get it out. It's very important that the project goes smoothly. If it doesn't go smoothly, time gets wasted. The whole process is fun to build it, but when you get to watch it finally leave the shop, we have the police here that block off the roads, that has to lift all the wires to get the large parts out. It's a good feeling. And then back to work. Another piece is starting. Being stagnant it's not in me. I want to evolve here. I want to keep evolving and never stop evolving. So it's got to produce. It's got to work. Almost one of those things that keep me up at night. You really have to want it.